Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the TradingView mobile app. First, open the app and sign in so your layouts sync. Create a watch list and add symbols you follow most. Tap any symbol to view an interactive chart and pinch to zoom for detail. Save your layout and enable notifications so alerts reach you instantly. Practice switching timeframes and indicators to find a setup that fits your trading style. Open a chart and explore the drawing toolbar for trend lines, fib retracements, and text labels. Add indicators like RSI or EMA and adjust parameters to suit your strategy. Use the crosshair to inspect exact price and time values and toggle grid or log scale for clarity. Try split screen mode to view multiple symbols or timeframes simultaneously, which is great for spotting divergence. Set up alerts by tapping the bell icon and choosing price or indicator conditions so you never miss moves. Customize repeat options and notification types like push, email, or SMS for timely updates. Review and modify active alerts from the Alerts Manager to keep them relevant. If you connect a supported broker, you can place trades from the chart for a smoother workflow, but always confirm order details before sending to the market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.